back with another video. Today this video is going to be about my Amazon favorites. You guys know I love shopping on Amazon, and I do have a ton of favorites that I personally would recommend. Keep in mind, guys, that everything in this video will be linked in the description box, and you can shop my Amazon list on Amazon directly. So let's get into it. So I first want to start with, and I already did a video on this one, but I can't count this one out because it is one of the best pieces in my room. So I first want to start off with this beautiful vase that I got from Amazon. Very pretty. Oh, does it still have the, yeah, it still has the SKU on the back of it, so it was made in India. I forgot to take this off, but let me take this off right now. It's really pretty. I really like it. It goes with the aesthetic of my room. You guys know I was going for the white, brown, or cream brown and like beige kind of look. This goes with it very, very well, and it kind of matches my vanity mirror that I got from Anthropologie. The actual name for it, a floral distressed gold metal fluted vase. That's the name of it, and I'll be leaving that in the description below. This is a almost $50 purchase, but I mean, to me it's worth it. I mean, I think it's really beautiful. It came a lot bigger than I expected, but I never ever look at measurements, so that's just me. I never look at measurements, something that I need to start doing. But it was still perfect for my room. It was the perfect size. Not complaining about that. Okay, so one of my most important purchases recently from Amazon would have to be this USB port, and I recently just got it. It's like, I'll show you how it works. Okay, it comes like this. I actually already used it to make sure that it works, of course, but I put it back in the case just for this video. So if you have an Apple computer, this is probably the best thing ever, and I mean ever. I love it. It's like a charger. It has a bunch of ports. So this is a charger. This is for like a USB card or something of the sorts. Even a charger, like the old chargers, can fit into this. And then this is, what kind of slot is this? A micro slot. Yeah, so either USB, and that's the USB for the iPhone charger. And then this is like a slot for like a micro, one of those micro chip thingies that you like slide in there. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. What is it called? Okay, this is called a Thunderbolt slot, and that's cute. I guess because it's for the fast chargers. And then an SD card is what I'm assuming that's what it's called, that goes there. And then I know these are USB slots. So it comes with 3 USB slots, an SD card holder thingy, and then a Thunderbolt area where you can plug your fast charging charger into. And then these little areas right here just attached to the computer on the side of your MacBook Air. I have a MacBook Air, so that's why I purchased it. A micro SD card reader. That's what this is. Okay. And then these USB slot thingies fit right into the side of the computer. And all you got to do is just pop it in. Keep in mind the USB ports here on the sides. You might need to like really shove your USB in there because it's kind of, I mean, I thought I was gonna break it, but it actually worked pretty well. I love this. It's very versatile, and it makes sense. I was gonna go to Apple and buy like a USB port, you know, the ones that they sell at Apple for the MacBook Air. But it just made a lot more sense to buy this because it's like it's a 5-in-1, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. And there's this other slot here. I wonder what this is. I wonder if this is anything at the bottom here. It might be. Okay, guys, so I want to get this correct for you guys. It's actually a 6-in-1. I did not know that. So it supports a micro USB card reader, an SD card reader, 3 USB 3.0A ports, Thunderbolt 3. So that's about 6 ports right there. And it supports a MacBook Pro and a MacBook Air. I have a MacBook Air, so it works for my computer. It's great, it's handy, and it makes more sense. I mean, but that's completely up to you if you want to go to Apple and just get the USB port, you know. It depends on, you know, what you want to do with it. If you want to really like use it for something else. I needed it specifically for something else, so this worked out great for me. And that's one of the most important things I've gotten recently from Amazon. Now, let's see how much that costs because I actually don't remember. So let's see, because that's a good question, right? This cost me like $13.41. So you really can't go wrong with this. Like, that's a good buy. That is a really good buy. So I got all that for that much. And then, okay, so the next best thing that I recently got has to be hands down, okay, hands down, this beautiful addition to my kitchen. So I wanted to buy some new bowls for my kitchen. So I ended up getting these porcelain bowls from Amazon. It's really cute. It has this nice shape with it. It comes in, I think, a couple of different sizes. So I think that's genius. I love that. I really do love that. So it comes smaller than this. I believe I got the biggest size of this bowl. This is big enough to fit a salad, food, dinner. I'm assuming they have the portions for like portion control or whatnot, but I wanted to get the biggest size and I was hoping that it would be big enough to, like, you know, eat dinner, and it definitely is. It's very nice. I would say the one thing about it is that it does, when you microwave it, it's hot. So remember, it's a porcelain bowl. And I believe, let me look it up to make sure that do I get this correct here? It comes in a 6-piece, all white, 28 fluid ounces is the capacity. And depending on what size, that varies, I'm assuming. It's perfect for cereal, soup, side salads, ice cream, fruits, a bunch of stuff. Again, it also depends on the size that you get. I got the biggest size available, and that would have been 7 inches. So they have a 4-inch, 5-inch, and a 6-inch. I ended up getting 7. 7 inches does run about almost $50 for this, you know, 6 bowls, but you can get them in 2 different colors. So you not only get them in white, but you get them in turquoise. I just got white because, you know, white is kind of timeless. So I got 6 of these and I do not regret it. Just remember when you're taking it out the microwave to be careful because the bowl will be hot. It will definitely be hot. So just be careful on that one. And another item that I ended up getting recently, but keep in mind, I haven't necessarily used this item yet, unfortunately, just because I haven't needed to use it. Oh, I ended up getting this shower phone case. Let me see how much it runs for first. Let me open it up and let you guys know. It's $16.99. It is in stock currently right now. And it's kind of like a waterproof cover for like if you're in the shower and you want to use your phone, you want to make content in the shower. If you want to make content in the shower, you don't want to get your phone wet. You want to show, you know, yourself bathing, skincare routine, hair routine, whatever type of content you want to use it in the shower. You want to make sure that your phone doesn't get damaged. I believe this is it for you. It has a very high rating, almost 5 stars. It moves around, so it actually rotates as well. I haven't tried it yet because you do have to wait 24 hours before using it. And I haven't necessarily needed to use it for anything just yet. But you do have to make sure that it sticks to the surface for at least 24 hours before using it. It comes with 2 pamphlets on what to do and what not to do when you're using this item. Again, I have not tried it yet, but I will be trying it very soon, and hopefully it works out for me. I should have tried it sooner than later because it would make more sense, you know, just in case I have to return it. But it's waterproof, splash-proof, anti-fog, and touch-friendly window. 360 rotatable, like I told you guys. Operate with one hand. Easy nail-free installation. Compatible with devices up to 6.8 inches. So that means it most likely would fit this phone as well. So just to give you guys an idea. Yeah, the bigger phones. Anyways, so yeah, I haven't tried this one out. I will be trying it out very soon because it is important that I make sure that this works. And if it doesn't, and if it's a flop, I definitely will be returning it. But so far, it sounds good for the reviews. I haven't heard any complaints, so hopefully that works out for me. The next thing that I did get that I feel is very important is organizers. Organizers. What do I mean by organizers? I mean drawer organizers for your drawer. These are non-slip drawer organizers. They come in a bunch of different sizes. This is one of the sizes. I think it comes in actually 4 sizes. So these are 3 of the sizes that I have. And I believe it comes in one more size. I have used all the other, you know, all the rest of them. So they're in my dresser right now. But it's basically for my makeup drawer. And if you need extra non-slip stickies, I believe this is what these are. And you can just stick them on the bottom. But they already come out of the box with these stickies on them. It's non-slip. It doesn't slip around when you open the, you know, the drawer. It stays in place, which is really great. Again, it comes in 3 different sizes. And let me check to see how much I ended up getting these for, because these were a really good buy, and it came with a bunch of them, like a lot more than I needed, but it came with a bunch of them, and they're on sale right now. So it's like a coupon. You can cut like a 10% coupon. So it runs for $21.99 plus the coupon. Yeah. Or is the coupon already clipped for me? Because it looks like it's already clipped. I don't know. And it comes in like 2 other colors. So this is the clear. It comes in black and it comes in brown. Okay. And the black is a little bit more though. The black, it looks like it's $22.99. I'd rather just go with the clear just so that I can see. And they're in stock right now. They come with how many here? Let's see. 13. So 13 of these will come in a box. I didn't know it was going to be so many. I definitely didn't have enough room for all of them because my drawer is only so big. And these are pretty, these are going to fill up your drawers pretty quickly depending on how much makeup you have. So these were a great investment. I still have a little bit extra left. I'll probably use them like in my nightstand drawers or something. Who knows? But it was a great investment. And I do love that. Now, last but not least, one of my favorite purchases recently, and this is one of my most recent purchases, would have to be this beautiful beach hat. It is so gorgeous. I love it. Let me show you guys the back. It has a little bow on it. I love it. The bow's a little weird, but it's okay. It's really cute. It's really snug too. It fits very snug. I look crazy right now. It fits very snug on my head. And it also comes with this. I forgot what this is called, but I guess it's for your, you know, to keep it on you. So you just kind of like, it doesn't have like the strings, but it has this on it so that I would never wear it like this, but I'm just showing you guys. It's like almost like a cowboy hat, but it holds it down. It's not necessary. It's pretty snug on your head unless it's a really windy day. And then of course on the inside there is adjustments. So there's this beautiful nice thread here where you can tighten it, tie it up and tighten it, adjust it to your head, or loosen it, and it does tighten up. Ooh, it does tighten up. Yes, so it does tighten up. I don't really need that. It works just fine for me. Ooh, I got makeup on the side, on the inside of it already. I think I just did that actually, because I didn't wear makeup the last time I wore it. Oh well, that's okay. But yeah, it looks really cute. You can wear it like this. I prefer to wear my hats like this, on the back of my head instead of forward, like straight forward. Unless I'm trying to hide my face, then I'll do it like this. This ran for, let's see how much. Yeah, I be trying to avoid getting makeup on the inside of my hats. And I'm not a hat girl, but it is the summertime and it is very hot and we need shade. Shade is definitely needed. So the name of this hat is Women's Foldable Floppy Hat, Wide Brim Sun Protection Straw Hat, Summer UV Protection, whatever. It's a sun hat. It's supposed to protect you from the sun and keep you, you know, refreshed, blah, yada, yada. It comes in a ton of colors. It comes in blue, yellow, velvet. It looks like a velvet purple color. This looks like a pink color, actually. Wow, I didn't know it came in pink. It comes in green. And it comes in khaki. This is the khaki color. This is the one that I got. I'd rather keep it nice and khaki over here. I think khaki goes with a lot of things. Then we got blue. Then we got beige. Oh my God, is this beige or khaki? That's interesting. I think I got it in khaki. I'd have to check, but I'm pretty sure this is not. This could be beige though. It actually could be because it doesn't necessarily look like a khaki color. I'll tell you guys the color that I ended up getting, but I'm pretty sure it's beige now that I think about it. There's a blue, and then there's a ton of other styles too as well. And again, the link to all this stuff will be down below. Now let me tell you guys what I ended up getting in this hat, what color. Okay guys, so I ended up getting this in the khaki color. I was right the first time around. I thought it was beige, but it is actually khaki. Okay, so, oh, let me take this hat off. Yikes. I don't want to mess the hair up. I really don't want to mess the hair up. Get that. Thank you guys for watching my Amazon favorites. I hope you found something that you like. If you did, don't hesitate to click the links down below. And do not forget that my social media handles will be linked down below, as well as my previous videos that I have done on my channel. Thank you guys for watching again, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. I did a really good job.